In today's video, I bring to you super easy, super fun, just 4 simple steps. You heard that right. Just 4 steps and you are sure to lose your belly fat once and for all. And these 4 simple steps are so easy to perform anytime, anywhere. This is the exact space you need. You don't need a big area or anything. You don't even need to dress up. Just be at home and do it in the comfort of your own house. No jumping, no equipment needed, and it is so beginner friendly. You can actually do it just standing. You don't even have to lay down on the floor, which is so difficult when you are overweight. I know, I've been there and I know exactly how it feels. It's very tough to be in a position where you have to do all those rigorous exercises. So I say just 4 simple steps to stand tall and stand slim. So no more talking. It's now time to say bye-bye to your belly fat. So here's your first step. So I'm sure you're as sweaty as I am. Well, this was a very effective and absolutely abylicious workout. So if you want to get flat abs and a slim tummy, don't forget to do this every single day. And yes, since I'm a certified dietitian, I know how important nutrition is. So don't forget to eat healthy, balanced meals along with this, and also keep a good check on your water intake and your sleep cycle. You're sure to get a slim belly soon. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then,